Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet for Beginners. I have made this poncho using 2-ply acrylic yarn and 3.5 mm hook. Generally we use same number of hook as the yarn ply, but I used a higher number of hook as I wanted to make it more flowy. And I made 86 standing double crochet and joined them together. In the four corners I made one double crochet, chain one double crochet, and that is giving its triangular shape. So you can see in four corners I have made DC, chain 1 DC, in between I added bunch of popcorn stitches on four sides, and I wanted to make it lightweight and for early winters when weather is not so cold, so I added this lacy design on four sides. If you want to learn about this design, you can go to my previous video tutorial where I have given detailed explanation of this design. So on all the four sides I have used this design. So in this way you can make a poncho of your choice.